In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this device. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called OS Launcher from Launcher Studio Developer. When it's ready, open it. Then hit Get Started. Select I agree to terms and conditions and choose Continue twice. Now tap on while using the app and allow. Close and add. And click on Set as Default at the top. Lastly, to apply your launcher, click on it here and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. If you want to go back to your default one, you need to open the same app, hit Set as Default and tap on your default launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!